Hi everybody, this is Ben here, and today I'm going to show you a really cool feature about one of the library's databases. Today we're going to look at how to use a database to practice your language skills by reading newspaper and magazine articles in pretty much any, well not any, but a lot of major languages. So we're starting just from Google, so you remember how to get where we're going. And we're going to put in the library webpage, go straight to it. And here we are at the home page. To get to databases, you're always going to go under the menu here along the top where it says Reference. Click down to Databases, and that's going to take us to the databases homepage. The one we're going to be using today is General OneFile right here. And this one's got the largest collection of information, both in magazines and newspapers, that we've got with the library. Another one to keep track of, especially if you're learning or speaking Spanish, is Informe, which is all Spanish language articles that are originally written in that language. But today we're going through General OneFile, and that's going to take us straight to their homepage since we're in the library. For those of you who are at home, you'll be directed to a login screen where you'll need your library card number and your password to get through. But once you put that in, here you are at the General OneFile homepage. Since everybody's still really interested in what happened with the Michael Jackson story, here they've got a whole list of recent articles. So we're going to click on there and see what they have. Down here you see, this is from People magazine from, well, in present time. It will actually be in a couple of days. So this is a real new article on Michael Jackson. And when you click on it, it'll take you straight to the full text. And there's some really cool features here. One, if you look and you see the audio player on the side here, you can actually have the article read to you. And we'll see if that works here so that people at home can hear. Give it a chance to start up. The other options you've got are numerous. You can print it out, of course, download the whole article to have on your computer, come back to it as a bookmark, or download the MP3 version. I'm going to turn the audio off there so you can hear me again. But really cool options here. You can share it online, you can get an immediate citation if you want to use this for a paper or an article you're writing. And then the most important for today's lesson here is you can change the language. You can have it translated for you. Now this isn't translated by a real person, so it's not going to be perfect. But you can see even in a non-English character language like Korean, if you press translate there, you're going to see up here, after you finish waiting, the whole article, and actually using Korean characters wherever they can. Words you see like Mariah Carey don't really have a Korean equivalent, so those are going to stay in English. But everything else here you see gets translated, which is very cool just for practice. Of course, they've got a disclaimer here saying, you know, of course this isn't going to be 100% accurate, but it's a great tool for people if you've got family members who don't read in English, or if you're trying to learn yourself another language. So go on into the library's databases and give it a try. Let us know what you think. Thanks.